Welcome back to Fire Wrench Garage. Phil here. Well, it happened to me again. It's been a while, but it happened. And went to edit this video, and all of my files have been corrupted. So, well, I'm just going to show you what I've done. It's not a lot, but I wanted to show you the progress on the 302 budget build and something else that happened during that video as well. So here we go. Here's the budget build. So what I've done so far on here is I've got, I put new rings in. I got oversized rings so that I could file them down so I could have the right, the gaps on there. If you remember from before, the cylinders in these were a little bit, well, they had rust staining and things like that, so I got those honed out. So instead of being a 30 over, it's a little more than 30 over. So I wanted to get oversized rings so that I could make sure that the gaps were right. So I filed all those down, put them on the original pistons. I cleaned all those up. And let's see if I can flip this thing over. Without flipping it over. Obviously we got our crank in there. I got the oil pump on and the pickup tube. Went with ARP hardware on the connecting rods, so that should last for a while. I got our comp cam installed with new, I think I went with Cloys for the timing kit. Yep, Cloys. I got a new timing cover that I'm going to be putting on in the next video. Got a Holley fuel pump. I'm going to be putting that on. It's a pretty decent one. Cylinder heads I'll be putting in. I got new lifters to put in there once I get the heads in and measure for push rods. But the most exciting thing, guys, is the 347 block is back. Just got it back from the machine shop. Pretty excited. I took it in a week ago and he got right on it and got it all line honed and bored out to 30 over like what I need to do. And then I brought it home and got it primed and painted with engine paint. I went with the old Ford blue. I think it'll look pretty nice. I'm gonna paint the oil pan too. Haven't decided exactly what color I'm gonna paint that yet. And then of course we have the AFR heads. Let's see, I went with the 185s on that, so pretty excited to get started on that project. As you can see around the shop, I've got a mess, but that's what happens when you're in the middle of 3 projects at the same time. So just want to give you that update. I know it's not my normal video, and I spent a lot of time on that video getting it ready for you. And then everything, all the files are junk. So gonna invest in some more cards, memory cards, so that doesn't happen again. The camera seems fine. I have a lower capacity card that I tried out in there after the fact, of course, but so hopefully once I get the cards I'll be fine. But there's where we're at on those 2 projects. Moving along. I should have a new video of the putting everything else together here very shortly. Have a great day.